Hi, I'm Denise, your Fitbit guide to yoga and Pilates, here to unbox the Fitbit Inspire 3. You'll find your Fitbit, of course. The small band comes attached to the Fitbit. The large band comes in the box. Both bands attach to the same buckle end. You'll also find your USB charger. You can charge the device by plugging the charger into your computer or a wall adapter. Press the ball pin on the back of the band, pull at a downward angle and gently wiggle the band out of its socket. Insert the ball pin into the left hole, keep the band at an upward angle and slide the ball pin inward while pushing the band into the slot. The buckle end should go at the top of the Fitbit. Align the gold pins on the back of the device with the charger. Clip the device until it snaps into place. You should hear a click. Swipe up on your clock face to see your battery percentage. Your Fitbit will vibrate and notify you when your battery level is low. You can also receive mobile and email notifications when your battery is low. When you set up your Fitbit, you will automatically receive emails when your battery level reaches 25%. Open the Fitbit mobile app. Click on your profile icon in the upper left corner. Click Set up a device. Choose your Fitbit on the next screen. Today, we will be setting up our Fitbit Inspire 3. Ensure your Fitbit is charged and on. Your Fitbit needs to be at least 50% charged, but it's best to leave your Fitbit charging throughout the pairing process. Your phone will begin searching for your Fitbit. If you have other Fitbits, ensure they are not near your phone while it's searching. Continue setting up your device by following the instructions on the Fitbit mobile app. Your Fitbit automatically syncs your data to the Fitbit app throughout the day. To manually sync, open the Fitbit app and pull down on the Today screen. Tap on your profile icon in the upper left corner. Tap Inspire 3. Tap Gallery. Tap Clocks. From there, you can browse all the clock faces available for your Fitbit. All you have to do is tap the clock face you want and click Install. And look at my new clock face. Open the Fitbit mobile app. Tap on your hourly activity tile. Tap on the gear icon in the upper right corner. Here you can turn on the reminders to move and customize the time window and days on which you'll receive notifications. Open the Fitbit mobile app. Tap on your profile icon in the upper left corner. Scroll down and tap Notifications. Here you can turn on step goal milestones and exercise goal milestones on or off. Open the Fitbit mobile app. Tap on your profile icon in the upper left corner. Tap Inspire 3. Scroll down and tap Notifications. Here you can enable notifications for phone calls, text messages, calendar events, and all your favorite apps. Your Fitbit will buzz and alert you when you've entered a new heart rate zone during a workout. The 3 heart rate zones are fat burn, cardio, and peak. Swipe left or right to see your app gallery. Here you can access your favorite apps like Exercise or Relax. You simply tap on an app to open it. Return to your clock face by pressing the side buttons. Swipe up to view your battery life, and continue swiping up for your health and fitness stats. Swipe down to see your Fitbit settings like Do Not Disturb, Sleep Mode, and Water Lock. Thank you for unboxing your Inspire 3 with me. I hope you learned all the information you need to get your Fitbit ready to go. I'm Denise with Fitbit. Be well.